Jean Cocteau said Christian Dior was the genius of our time, whose magical name is the contraction of the French words God, Dieu, and gold, or.
« 1947, Élisabeth d'Angleterre épouse Philippe Mountbatten. 1947, l'ONU donne des frontières à l'État d'Israël. 1947, une bombe dans la couture. Les jupes s'allongent. D'un coup, la mode s'en trouve bouleversée. Cette révolution est l'œuvre d'un homme, Christian Dior.
He was seemingly unknown on February 12, 1947. However, he became world famous on the very next day. Scandal and success were his middle names. He invented the new look, and the Dior style took off. He won over the world with his elegant designs, and women like the Duchess of Windsor embraced him. The movie industry snatched up Dior models such as Rita Hayworth, Ava Gardner, and Marlene Dietrich. Monsieur Dior designed Marlene Dietrich's entire wardrobe for the Alfred Hitchcock film Stage Fright.
I shouldn't. It's not cause I wouldn't. And you know.
L'événement capital du mois d'août aura été l'explosion de la bombe Dior, qui a mis le feu aux poudres de riz et déclenché une nouvelle guerre des deux jupes.
That's a part of a letter from a man in Topeka, Kansas.
Yes.
He says, another thing, Dior, if you ever put your foot in Topeka, you bum, I'll beat your brains in.
Je voulais être architecte. Étant couturier, je suis obligé de suivre des lois, des principes d'architecture. Ce n'est pas un vain mot de parler de l'architecture d'une robe. Une robe se construit, et elle se construit selon le sens des tissus. Le sens des tissus, c'est le secret de la couture. Et c'est un secret qui dépend de la première loi architecturale, celle de l'obéissance à la pesanteur.
Christian Dior, having become the king of fashion, was the first designer to have his picture on the cover of Time magazine in 1957. Iconic designer for stars and princesses, his career skyrocketed into dazzling success, but the loss of his vision seemed to leave an entire industry orphaned.
La plus prestigieuse des maisons de couture du monde vient de perdre son créateur et son animateur. Décédé d'une crise cardiaque en Italie où il prenait un repos qu'il s'était interdit pendant des années, Christian Dior reçoit dans son hôtel parisien le dernier adieu de ses amis et collaborateurs. Sa disparition crée dans la mode un vide irréparable.
The House of Dior has become a legend, revealing great futures for many prominent designers, like that of Yves Saint Laurent, who at 21 perpetuated the house's creative ambition for Princess Margaret.
Pour moi, une robe, c'est d'abord un dessin.
Marc Bohan honored the tradition of Dior in refinement and elegance.
Shopping numéro 135, 135.
Marilyn was dressed in Dior for her last photo session, and Her Majesty Farah Pahlavi was crowned wearing Dior. In 1984, Bernard Arnault became the owner of Dior at the age of 35.
C'est son talent et je crois qu'on peut dire son génie qui font qu'aujourd'hui le nom de Christian Dior est le nom français le plus connu au monde.
In 1989, the Italian designer Gianfranco Ferré became art director for the collections. He fused his Baroque and exuberant taste into the Parisian wardrobe. Standing beside Bernard and Hélène Arnault at Dior's 50th anniversary celebration, Princess Diana wore John Galliano's first design for Dior. She made a smashing start to the Galliano era. The Lady Dior handbag was born. John Galliano embodies Christian Dior's spirit. He ties in luxury and theatrics. Fashion has been waiting for a designer like him. With perfection, he embodies the most magical and influential house of French fashion throughout the world. Of all the fashion houses, Christian Dior is the most timeless and confident.
Dior is by its own definition the most exciting house in the world because here is the home of the new look, not just once, but every season.
In all referenced works, it is said that the history of contemporary fashion began in 1947 with Christian Dior's New Look.
Pour moi, Dior, c'est la puissance de la création, alliée à une exécution d'artisans au service de cette création très forte.
You are, of course, what else?
C'est ça que j'adore. J'adore Dior.